Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the process for Jamaica to become a republic. Now guys, what do you think about Jamaica becoming a republic? The other day, I was very surprised to hear how many people in Portmore are against Portmore becoming the 15th parish of Jamaica. I was really surprised, so I'm asking you guys about Jamaica becoming a republic. What do you think? Leave your comments in the section below. Now, when Jamaica gained its independence, it had a monarch system. Basically, the head of state in Jamaica is still the monarch in England. So the head of state in Jamaica would be King Charles now, as he is the head of state in England, the head of the monarch. So Jamaica is is going through the process of changing that so that the King of England will no longer be in charge, won't be the head of state of Jamaica. Now, it's more of a ceremonial role, but to open parliament, it's not the Prime Minister of Jamaica, it's the Governor General who is a representative of the King of England. To sign a bill into law, it's not the Prime Minister of Jamaica that does it, it is the Governor General as a representative of the King. To declare a state of emergency, it's not the Prime Minister that does it, it is the Governor General that has to sign it into law. So, although Jamaica has its parliament and has a Prime Minister and has a government structure, the powers of the government are limited and a lot of power rests with the Governor General of Jamaica. So all that will change when Jamaica becomes a republic. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Okay, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening. Read a republic. The remaining steps will be taken to pass the Constitution Amendment Republic Bill 2024 and have it approved by citizens in the 2025-26 legislative year. This was disclosed by Custos for Kingston, Honorable Stedman Fuller, as he delivered a throne speech during the 2025-26 ceremonial opening of Parliament at Gordon House. Mr. Fuller, who deputized for Governor General His Excellency the Most Honorable Sir Patrick Allen, said the government is making historic strides in transforming its legal and constitutional landscape, guided by a vision of self-determination and modernization. The reform work will continue into the next phases. The reform work will continue into the next phases with a sharp focus on chapters 3 and 7 of the Constitution, the Charter of Fundamental Rights and Freedoms, and the judiciary, respectively. The people of Jamaica will also be provided the opportunity to have their say on the matter of Jamaica's final core team form. Mr. Fuller noted that the report of the Constitutional Reform Committee and the Constitution Amendment Republic Bill 2024 have been tabled in Parliament. The latter was read a first time and is being reviewed by a joint select committee of both houses. This is the most advanced step taken towards achieving the national goal of replacing the monarch as head of state and establishing Jamaica as a republic. The stage was set with the prior enactment of the Constitution Amendment of Section 61 Act 2024, which modernized the words of enactment by replacing references to the monarch with references to the Parliament and the people of Jamaica where appropriate, as a critical move towards patriating our Constitution, Mr. Fuller underscored. Meanwhile, he advanced that a referendum bill will be tabled to provide for the procedures for the people's participation in the reform of the Constitution. Mr. Fuller added that work is also far advanced to amend the Law Revision Act to establish a new framework for modifying and publishing Jamaica's laws in digitized form. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So based on this, if everything goes according to plan, Jamaica should be a republic in 2026. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.